Hello and welcome back to this homework 1.4 key. Now, if you don't have everything filled out up here and back here, go back and watch the original homework 1.4 video because I actually walked through all of this and fill all this out and we're picking up here. It's a pretty good video. Make sure your sound is on. Okay, so our instructions are x-coordinate plus 4, y-coordinate minus 6. So x-coordinates are backwards and forth. There's a little x right on the axis that controls that. So C goes 1, 2, 3, 4, but also y-coordinate down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C prime, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, wrong way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, because distances and angles are preserved, we can actually locate point A prime just based on the fact that it's 2 boxes down from B and 1 box to the left. We don't actually have to count it from there. Thanks, transformations that preserve distances and angles. I think I partially did this one. You can use patty paper to rotate this 90 degrees. Because how do I know how far 90 degrees is? Yeah, that's a good point. Maybe I should use patty paper. Because now when I put the crosshairs on the D point, then I'll know it's 90 when the grid lines back up with the grid. My little mini grid lines up with the background grid. So let me put the pre-image on here. That's 90, and look, my first point's there. Hey, my second point's even there. So it's just this third point. So I'm going to hover, move, mark, mark, and mark. Wait. Oh, look, I go through, but I didn't know when to stop. I went too far, so it's right there. Haha. Now, which point is which? This is y prime way down here. This one's x prime here, and this one is z prime, making it over here. Is that really z prime? I don't know. Let's check with the compass. Yep. Wow, this prime mark got a little bit big. How embarrassing. Alright, so reflect PQR over the line. Here's the line. The slope is 1 over 1. It's an invisible slope because no one bothered to write it. But that means when we flip over 1, 1, it becomes negative 1, 1. Weirdly. Down 1, forward 1, down 1, forward 1. Now this box got cut in half, so we just need one more. That's R prime. I feel like this is too easy for you guys at this point. 1, 2, 3, and a half, and 1, and 2, and 3. Should really be using a ruler. My bad. Let me at least verify something. Yes, 2 centimeters and 2 centimeters. Well, I guess slightly less than 2 centimeters and slightly less than 2 centimeters. Anyway, pretty accurate. X coordinate minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Y coordinate minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if this was required in earlier parts of the homework, but they didn't ask for it this time. But I'm going to do it this time because I didn't do it last time. Just drawing the connecting lines. No big deal. I think that's it. All right, see you in the next one.